My name's Tiffany Claunch and I'm from Lexington, Kentucky.
I'm Autumn from Forreston, Illinois.
Hi. I'm Kelly Kramer. I'm from Southeast Ohio.
Hi, my name is Shannon Wilson and I'm from Parkersburg, West Virginia.
I'm Lori Harris from Canton, Illinois.
My name is Allison Jackson and I'm from Flemingsburg, Kentucky.
I'm Jenna Gray from Northern Kentucky.
Hey, my name is Wendy Tabor and I am from Jeffersonville, Kentucky.
Hey, this is Ashley. I'm from Kentucky.
Hi, my name is Janine Gomer and I'm from Canton, Illinois.
I'm Gwen Carpenter from Jeffersonville, Kentucky.
Hi, I'm Janelle Bisker and I'm from Forreston, Illinois.
My name is Cora and I'm from Ohio.
And we are freedom fighters.
You're watching this because you want to create freedom. You want to be able to do what you want to do when you want to do it. What better way to create freedom than to do something meaningful while adding valuable time to your life?
The issue is you're busy. Busy with your family, career, and you just can't risk the extra money you have to develop an opportunity that's going to change your current status.
This can leave you feeling stuck, discouraged, and a little overwhelmed. Here at Modere, we believe you already work hard enough and you should be rewarded for your efforts. That's why we created a better way.
Do you need more freedom and control over your life? Well, we're going to show you 5 ways Modere can help you get that. We have a simple system that will help you get your business started and begin earning money right away.
So let's start with reason number 1. Modere has been in business as a global company for over 30 years. And we believe that our business type is super simple and that you should be rewarded for sharing our products. And in just the last 5 years, our social marketers have gotten over 3 million customers, sold 1 billion in products, and earned 500 million in commissions.
Reason number 2 is our products. You deserve to know the products that your family is using every day are safe and effective. The choices can be overwhelming. All the brands claim to be the best, so who can you really trust?
Our products are scientifically developed and tested. When it comes to meeting your family's needs, we want you to feel 100% confident that what you're using is safe, effective, and affordable. We have award-winning multi-patented formulations that are globally recognized. They have been validated for both efficacy and safety within our state-of-the-art wind-powered manufacturing facility in the United States.
Number 3, Modere is right in the middle, okay, right in the cusp, right in the making of 2 global trends blowing wide open. You know, is the insane shift from retail shopping to online shopping, okay? So where do you shop the most? Ask yourself that. Do you shop a lot online or in retail? The truth of the matter is online shopping is where it's at, where it's going. And online shopping is said to triple, if not quadruple, in the next 2 to 3 years.
The other huge trend is people are looking for an opportunity to earn extra income and to build financial security in this ever-changing economy. We've taken these 2 trends and created an online business model that gives you the freedom to work from anywhere, to create some income, and to build an online business right from your phone.
So the 4th reason that Modere Social Retail is changing the game is due to our customer acquisition. It means that there is a 10-to-1 ratio. What that means is there's 10 customers per rep in Modere. That's amazing. 80% of our revenue comes from true actual customers who fall in love with the products, stay on the products, and order month after month.
The result is that social retail makes it easier to succeed. Reason number 5 is leverage. In order to create the freedom that you want, you need a leveraged income. Most people's income is linear, or what we refer to as based solely on the work and effort of yourself. With a leveraged income, that is based on the work and the efforts of many people under you, therefore creating more money and more time freedom for you.
You're in the right place at the right time. We want to invite you to join us. So here are 3 simple steps to get started. First, contact the friend that shared this video with you. Second, talk to them about becoming a social marketer. And third, get ready for the time of your life to launch your own business.
Look, don't wait. There is no reason for you to be stuck in the same situation you're in a year from now. Take control of your life. Build a business that makes you proud, one that pays daily and makes future value and security for your family. Join us today. You won't regret it, I promise.